In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero and Stripe through a simple integration guide. This guide will help you streamline your payment processing by connecting these two powerful platforms, making financial management for your business more efficient. Let's start by navigating to Xero. Open your browser and head over to Xero's dashboard. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner. You'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal your account name. This is where you'll manage your various settings and integrations for Xero. Next, select the settings option from the drop-down. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust a wide range of configurations for your Xero account. From this settings page, locate and click on the online payments option. This section is specifically designed for managing the different payment gateways and services you utilize. Now look for a button that says Add Other. Click on it. This is going to open a list of different services that can be integrated with Xero. From the available options, select Stripe. Stripe is a popular payment processing service, and linking it with Xero will allow for seamless transaction reporting. Following this, you'll need to type in your account name. This name should correspond to the account you've already prepared or want to use for receiving payments through Stripe. Ensure it's entered correctly to avoid any confusion or errors further down the line. Proceed to click on Payment Account. Doing this will display a list of available accounts for payments. Choose the appropriate one that you want to associate with Stripe. With everything set up, it's time to click on Connect to Stripe. This action will redirect you to Stripe's login page or account setup page, depending on whether you already have a Stripe account or need to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize this connection, allowing Xero and Stripe to start communicating. Once the connection is successful, it's important to familiarize yourself with Xero certification resources. Visit the Xero certification guide, which provides valuable insights and support for seamless operation. If you haven't already, consider creating a Xero partner account to access even more resources. If you're aiming to enhance your credibility further, you can access the certification course. By completing this training, you position yourself as a knowledgeable user of Xero. After completing the training, you'll want to take the final assessment to fully attain your certification. Once you pass the assessment, you can proudly display your certification badge, symbolizing your proficiency with Xero. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've connected Xero with Stripe, establishing a more efficient and centralized payment process for your business. Feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I wish you seamless financial management ahead.